Hello everybody, and welcome back to iMac. In this video, I'll be showing you the process of me cutting out this logo on the plasma cutter. It all started with my design. I designed this logo in Adobe Photoshop. Then I used an online JPEG to DXF file converter, which takes all the black and makes that what will be cut. With all that done, it was time to get it cut. It took quite a few attempts. The first attempt was pretty scary. This is why. Everything was going great until it was getting ready to cut around the outside of the logo. That was when the accident happened. The nozzle of the cutter got stuck on one of the pieces and fell off the motor part of the machine. The safety protocol of the software happened to fail, and it started to spray sparks all over the place. At that point, I rushed forward toward the machine to find the abort button, which I found and stopped the machine. After that, we changed a few settings with the cutter. Then we tried again. This time, it basically finished it, but there was a flaw in the design, which caused it to cut over itself again. And again, it got caught. But this time, the software protocol realized what had happened and shut it off. We ran it the next time, and it finally worked. Nothing got caught, no sparks shot around, and the metal wasn't bent. The final product looked pretty good. After we had taken the logo off the cutter, I spray painted it black, and this is what it turned out like. The logo ended up looking really cool, and it's something that I will probably end up hanging up on my wall at some point. Make sure to smash the like button and definitely subscribe.